Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I want to show how to convert videos to GIF without any effort. For this, I will use video converter from HitPaw. Let's get started. So friends, after open software and for convert videos, click here and select this video. This is, let's see, properties. This is MOV file and I want to convert this MP4. Let's select and click open. I can see here video options. This is file size and file type, MOV, and file size and time duration. Okay, also I see here no audio track, no subtitles. Also I can add audio track here with this button. And in this time, let's click here and select convert formats. We can use all these formats: AVI, MKV, and MOV, and DVX, MPEG-2, and VOP, WebM. Okay, let's select this MP4. Also, we can select here HD formats, Full HD, 4K, and I will use some as source. Okay, let's click and click convert. Waiting for converting. This is very fast. And go to click converted here and click this icon for open folder. Okay, and let's select this file. Let's right mouse. Let's see properties. Okay, nice. This is MP4. Nice. Let's open for see video quality. Okay, very nice. Nice. So let's back to software and click X for close here. Click yes. And now I want to show download. Let's click here and let's go to my Instagram page. Okay, so let's select this video and copy link. Open post and select this link. Let's Ctrl C and back to software and go to here and click here. This is automatic paste. Okay, and this is video format MP4, and also I can download this thumbnail image. So let's select this MP4 and click download. Waiting for downloading. Okay, again very fast. Go to download and click for open folder. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So let's go to YouTube and download 4K videos. Okay, I want to download this nature video. Let's open and copy link. Back to software and go to downloading and click here for paste. Okay, I can see here formats. This is 4K format. Let's select WebM, and also I can download MP4 or again download thumbnail. Let's click download for 4K. Let's click download button. Okay, let's back to here and click folder and let's see properties. Nice. This is 4K video and let's open. Okay, very nice. So let's delete these downloads and let's open edit. I want to show how to make simple edits with HitPaw video converter. First, go to add files. Select this my animation angry cat. Click open. Okay, let's click here. We can make cat video. We can crop, rotate, filter. We can change video speed and we can add watermark. Let's click watermark and let's write here or logo or text Nijat CG. Okay, let's move to here this watermark or logo and we can change text font size like this and text color and opacity like this. Okay, also we can add here image Let's click and add image logo. Let's click plus button for add image. So for example, let's select this logo and click open. Nice. Let's select this text and let's back to here. Let's delete and back to image. Select this image. Let's move to here. Also we can change this and change scale. Let's see. Okay, very nice. For done this video, we can click confirm. Okay, so let's open speed. We can change video speed. For slow motion, click this. Let's see. Okay, that's funny. And for fast video, click 4x. Okay, very easy. Nice. So let's open filter, and we can use all these filters for our video. This is color correction, and let's for example use this. Click this icon for download this filter. Okay, very nice. Go to adjust and we can change here settings for better color correction and sharpen, shadow, highlights and color temperature and here. Nice. And finally click crop rotate. We can change video crop 1 or like this. This is normal YouTube video and this is for Instagram post and this is for TikTok and YouTube shorts. Okay, very nice. So let's click X, click no and go to click cut. Okay, let's make random cuts. Go to here and this second click this cut icon. Go to here, again make cut and go to here, again cut, and finally let's make cut this scene. Okay, so I have 5 video clips and we can see here merge into one file. So let's close this checkbox and I want to all video clips. Also when I click this checkbox I can select this clip 3. I can render only this clip. So click this icon and click confirm and okay, I can export these videos single or click export all. Let's click, waiting for exporting. Nice. Let's go to here and click folder. Nice. I can see here all my editing videos. Let's see. Very nice. This is 5 seconds and this is again 5 seconds and this is 5 seconds and this 4 seconds. Okay, very good. So let's click this icon for clear all and go to toolbox. So video to GIF, image converter and Instagram downloader. Let's first click video to GIF. Select my file. We can see here step by step. Add videos from your device and select the segments you want and set the output parameters for the GIF and for export GIF file to local. Click select files. So select this angry cat video, click open and I can change in and out like this. So let's move to here. I wanted this scene. Nice. And we can change frame rate 10 FPS I guess. And let's try change size 40%. And this is my original size. Okay, so let's click export and exporting GIF. Let's open GIF file. Okay, very nice. Very fast and very easy with one click. So let's open gitfs.com and I will try upload this GIF. Okay, very nice. Let's click upload to GIF. Okay, that's good. Also, I will share this GIF with my friends. So friends, I want to show image converter. Let's click here and select this character rig. Click open. And I can see here JPEG to PNG. I can change here WebP or BMP or TIFF. Okay, PNG is good and click convert all. Let's open image. Nice. Let's see properties. Okay, this is PNG. Nice. Also, I can add here more image. Let's click add image and select all these images. Let's click open and let's convert to TIFF and convert all. Nice. Okay.